Good day guys, welcome back to another video in the series of IGCSE Math Curriculum. Now in this video, I'll be teaching you guys the basics on how to solve linear equations, alright? Now let's get to it. Okay guys, so in question number 1, what we have is we are going to solve for b. Alright guys, so the step number 1, what we'll be doing is we'll be transposing the variables to be with the variables and the numbers to be with the numbers. So that is step number 1. Okay guys, so first of all, I'm going to move this 4b from the right side to the left side, and then I'll move the positive 3 from the left side to the right side. Okay guys, so first when I'm going to move the positive 4b from the right side to the left side, the positive will change to negative. All right guys, and this is equal to -9. So step 1, what I've done is I've moved the 4b from right side to the left side. Now I'll be moving the positive 3 from the left side to the right side. Okay, and when we transpose from one side to the other, we'll use the opposite operation. So the opposite of plus is minus, right guys? So then we will have 5b minus 4b is equal to -9 minus 3, right guys? And 5b minus 4b will give us b. B is equal to -12. Okay guys, now let's go ahead and solve question number 2. Now in question number 2 guys, I'll highly suggest you to click on pause, try and solve it by yourself, come back and check the solution with me. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to transpose the variables to be on one side and the constants to be on the same side. So I will have 5b minus 2b is equal to 6 plus 9, right guys? Because when I moved 2b from the right side to the left side, it changed to negative, and when I moved the -9 from left side to the right side, it changed to positive. All right guys, now 5b minus 2b is going to give us 3b, and 3b is equal to 15. All right guys, now the next thing what we're going to do is we are going to solve for b and not 3b, right? So we are going to get rid of this 3, right? So when we transpose 3 to the other side, it will change to division. So b would be 15 over 3, therefore b is equal to 5, right guys? So the value of b is equal to 5. Now whenever you see a question like this guys, do not panic. Okay, it's pretty easy. So first of all, what we're going to do is we are going to move the numbers to be with the number, but keep in mind that we cannot move this or transpose this over 2 to the other side, because the whole of the right hand side of the equation is not over 2, right guys? So in this case, first what we're going to do is we are going to transpose -1 to the other side. So we'll have -7 plus 1 is equal to 3f over 2. All right guys, so keep in mind that we cannot transpose the 2 to the other side unless it is a single fraction. All right guys, now -7 plus 1 is going to give us -6 is equal to 3f over 2. The next step what we're going to do is we are going to transpose 2 to the other side. So when you transpose 2 to the other side, it's going to change to multiplication. So we would have -6 times 2 is equal to 3f, right guys? -6 times 2 is giving -12. -12 is equal to 3f. Now -12 over 3 is equal to f. Therefore, -4 is equal to f. All right guys, so the value of f is equal to -4. Now give a try. Click on pause, try and solve question number 4 by yourself and see if you can do it by yourself. All right guys, now let's see if you guys did it correctly. So first what we're going to do is we are going to transpose the number to be with the number. So I am going to transpose 1 to the other side. Now when I transpose 1 to the other side, it'll change to -1, right guys? So now I have 3e over 8 is equal to -6. Right? Now I'm going to get rid of 8 and transpose 8 to the other side. So 3e is equal to -6 times 8. 3e is equal to -48, right guys? Now I'm going to transpose this 3 to the other side. Therefore, E is equal to negative 48 over 3, which is equal to negative 16. Therefore, the value of E is negative 16. And that is how you would solve the basics of linear equation, guys. Now, if you did enjoy this video, do not forget to hit on the like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any future maths videos. Until next time, guys, have a nice day.